Today is the World Cup Final. I have waited so long for this day.
This is the best day ever! I am going to see the World Cup Final!
My ticket is finally here. I still cannot believe it.
Wow, this is really my World Cup Final ticket. I dreamed about this day for so many years.
Everything is ready. This is going to be an amazing day. This is the perfect outfit for the World Cup Final.
I am ready. Today is going to be unforgettable. Sarah, look! I still cannot believe I finally have the ticket. It is beautiful. I am so happy for you. Today is going to be amazing. Lily, promise me one thing. Keep your ticket safe. I promise. I will be very careful. Everything is packed. My ticket is safe. Now I am ready for the adventure. Perfect. Everything is ready. It is time to go. Today is finally here. I am on my way to the World Cup Final. Everyone is so excited. This feels like a big celebration. This is incredible. The whole city is celebrating the World Cup Final. Wow, it is even more beautiful than I imagined. I am almost there. I have dreamed about this moment for so long. I finally made it. This is the most beautiful stadium I have ever seen. "45 minutes. I have plenty of time to enjoy this moment." I want to remember this moment forever.
Would you like me to take your picture?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Perfect. 1, 2, 3, smile.
This is the happiest day of my life.
Here you go. I hope you have an amazing day.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your kindness. Sarah is going to love this picture. The lines are getting longer. I should head to the entrance now. I am so close now. Soon I will finally be inside. The line is moving. I will be inside very soon. Not much longer now. I just need to stay in line. My dream is only a few steps away. Now it is my turn. Where is my ticket? No, it has to be here. It has to be. I cannot find my ticket.
Miss, may I please see your ticket?
I cannot find my ticket. It was in my backpack, but now it is gone.
It is all right. Please check your bag one more time. Sometimes small things hide in the corners.
It is really gone.
If you dropped it outside, you still have time. Go and look quickly.
Thank you. I will find it. It has to be here somewhere. I thought it was my ticket. Maybe it fell here. I remember sitting here. I checked everywhere I remember. Where could it be? I have searched everywhere. Where can it be? I waited so many years for today. I do not want to miss it. Someone must be looking for this. Excuse me, dear. Did you lose something today? I lost a golden ticket for the FIFA World Cup Final. I have searched everywhere, but I cannot find it. Is this the ticket you have been searching for? Yes, it is mine. Thank you so much. You made my dream come true. Thank you. I will never forget your kindness.
I knew you could do it. Welcome back. Enjoy the match.
I made it. I am finally here. Sometimes the greatest victory is not giving up. Kindness can change someone's whole day. I will never forget this moment. I learned that staying calm, never giving up, and believing in the kindness of others can make impossible moments possible. Thank you for listening to my story.